During the holidays, we are surrounded by plants that are rich in traditions and symbolism.
Take holly, for instance. Holly was considered by the Druids to be sacred since it was so hardy and looked so good in the winter months with its berries. It was also regarded as a symbol of fertility and eternal life. They thought that cutting down a holly tree would bring bad luck. However, if it was hung inside the house, it was believed to be good luck. Today, Christians considered holly symbolic of Jesus Christ. The red berries represent the blood Jesus shed on the cross, and the pointed leaves symbolize the crown of thorns placed on Jesus' head before he died on the cross.
And one of the plants with the most significance is the Christmas tree. The use of evergreen trees for Christmas celebrations date back to the 1400s. The symbol of evergreen trees represent life, rebirth, and stamina to survive the winter months. In the olden days, fruit was used to decorate the branches, and now ornaments are used. A star or an angel at the top of the tree remind us of the birth of Jesus.
And one of the most popular plants for couples is mistletoe. Mistletoe is a fascinating plant. It is the only complete plant that is a true parasite living off of a tree. Because of this, it was said to have sacred properties. In ancient Scandinavia, mistletoe was believed to symbolize peace. If enemies were to meet under a tree, they would call a truce for the day. The legend of kissing under mistletoe also came from the Scandinavians. An arrow made from mistletoe killed the son of a Norse goddess of love. Her tears fell on the mistletoe and turned the berries white. She declared that mistletoe would never be used for death, but only for love. Whoever stood under the mistletoe should receive a kiss.
And one of the more recent traditions is the poinsettia, if you call 100 years recent. The legend of poinsettias dates back to 16th century Mexico. The story goes that a young girl wanted to bring a gift to the nativity scene at her church. She dreamt of an angel gathering leaves and weeds to set before the scene. She took this idea and gathered weeds from the roadside and laid them at the nativity. The legend has it that the flowers, now known as poinsettias, sprouted from those plants. In the early 1920s, Paul Ecke Sr. commercially grew poinsettias, which was discovered by Joel R. Poinsett in the 1800s. Ecke Ranch Greenhouses was the driving force in promoting poinsettias as the traditional Christmas flower in the U.S. and worldwide.
We hope that learning a little bit more about the symbolism of these plants help makes your holidays merry and bright.